Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Behance portfolio. First, create an Adobe ID or sign into Behance using an existing account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile page. It's crucial to complete all personal information fields, including your location and website. Upload a high-quality profile picture and a visually appealing cover image that reflects your brand. Finally, craft a compelling bio, approximately 50 to 70 words, to introduce yourself and your creative focus to potential clients and collaborators. Now, let's add your first project. From your Behance dashboard, click the Create a Project button. This opens the project editor where you can upload your work. Ensure you use high-resolution images or videos to present your designs clearly. Arrange your content thoughtfully, using headings and text blocks to tell your project's story. Don't forget to add relevant tags, typically 5 to 10, and select the correct creative fields to improve discoverability. To make your projects truly shine, focus on presentation. Start with a captivating project title, ideally under 60 characters, that clearly states your work's essence. Then, write a detailed description, around 100 to 150 words, outlining your creative process, challenges, and solutions. Incorporate mock-ups and context shots to show your work in action. Finally, consider getting feedback from a few trusted peers before publishing to ensure maximum impact. Once your portfolio is set up, it's time to promote it. Share your Behance projects widely across all your social media channels like Instagram, LinkedIn, and X. Actively engage with the Behance community by liking and commenting on other artists' work. This increases your visibility. Make it a habit to update your portfolio regularly, perhaps every 2 to 3 months, with your latest and greatest projects to keep it fresh and relevant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.